Hello, this is iMathit with Samuel, okay? And in this lesson, I am going to be showing you how to evaluate limit of functions by L'Hopital's rule. Now, to evaluate limit of function by L'Hopital's rule, you will have to evaluate the derivative of the function at the numerator and the derivative of the function at the denominator, okay? So then you go on and evaluate the limit. So let us put that down. Notice in this case you cannot simply put x is equal to 2. At the denominator you get 0, which is one of the conditions we are trying to avoid. Okay, so let us go on and take the derivatives. So let me put down limit as s tends to 2. What is the derivative of s raised to power 2? Limit as s tends to 2. So what is the derivative of s raised to power 2 minus 4? That's going to be 2s, and negative 4 is a constant. Then for x minus 2, the derivative of x is 1, minus 2 is a constant. So it's time we evaluate the 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 4, right? And just like that. Well, you notice we have conditions where it will be a lot more difficult, and we will have to use this method. We must use this method sometime. So like here, so here we have to evaluate the limit of the square root of x plus 3 minus 3 and over x minus 6. Notice that the square root of x plus 3 can be written as x plus 3 raised to power 1 over 2, right? So we are going to take the derivative of that function up there with respect to s. Then the denominator as well, which is s minus 6, we take its derivative with respect to x. What is the derivative of x plus 3 raised to power 1 over 2? You will agree that this is a u substitution type of problem, right? So we put down 1 over 2, which is the power. Then we multiply it by the component in the bracket, which is s plus 3. Then we subtract 1 from the power, which will give us negative 1 over 2. And multiplied by the derivative of the s plus 3 in the bracket, right? Okay, so and the derivative of 1 of x at the denominator is 1, right? While negative 6 is a constant. So it's time we evaluate the limit. So that will be 1 over 2 and multiplied by 6 plus 3 raised to power negative 1 over 2, right? Which should be 1 over 2 and multiplied by 1 all over square root of 9, right? From indices. So we have negative power there, right? And that is 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 3, which is 1 over 6. And this is the method. So don't forget this. You simply take the derivative of the function at the numerator and the derivative of the function at the denominator. So then you go on and evaluate the limit. Please remember to hit the like button. Thank you. Until next time, keep mathing it, keep winning.